What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze of Grass Lawn Care, and today I'm going to push mow my weekly property. Now, for you guys that are new to the channel, this weekly property was put on pause during the winter, so there's a lot of things that I have to fix, but it's okay. We're gonna get them done. So, as you can tell, I am unlocking my mower. Everything that I have on my vehicles are locked at all times. It doesn't matter what subdivision you're in, you have to make sure that all your equipment is locked because thieves don't go to properties where they can't get something good from, right? They drive around. This is a little Velcro strap that I put on the mower because once you stand it up, for some reason there's no locking mechanism for the handle to stay up. So what I did was use a little Velcro tie down. And today I'm using the KRESS Commercial KC710-9, which is a 60 volt, 21 inch self-propelled mower. And I'm going to be transparent with you guys. This is my first time actually using the mower. I did not read the instructions. I didn't go through the paperwork. I just tore it out the box, put it on my truck, secured it, and bam. So this is the large battery. And what I love about this battery is it's full right now. 8 minutes to charge, guys. 8 minutes with the KRESS Cyber, with the Cyber tank. But yeah, like I said before, I just took it out the box, and we're gonna learn together, right? I know I'm showcasing a mower that I don't even know anything about, but that's okay. That's okay. You guys know how I do it. Not gonna fake it. So, this is your power button right here. Turn it on, turn it off. And this is your clutch blade engagement button. You have to bring the lever down to start it, and the bottom lever is the one you press. You go forward and backwards, and that was your speed control. You can go from 0 to 4 miles per hour. So this Bermuda, like I said before, I'm working on it, and I'm gonna bring it down to the lowest setting, which is 1 inch, and we're gonna turn it on. This is a power setting. It goes from 2,800 revolutions or cutting speed on the slow speed, and the high speed is 3,300 revolutions, or the cutting speed. So feel comfortable. I'm trying to get my right pace for the job. And so I will show you another video here this week on this yard where it has improved. The beds have been sprayed, put down some fertilizer. What I have to do, and you'll see in a few minutes, is that I have to put down some armadillo scram because the armadillos are digging. So when you have armadillo digging in somebody's property, the first thing you have to do is put down some grub control, insect control, because they're trying to eat the grub and the insects. So you get rid of their food, and you also put out some armadillo scram. So that is the next step of my program here. But like I said before, what I did the first time was just scalp this all the way down, and now we're going to keep it at 1 inch. At first she wanted me to keep it at 3 inches, but I promised her that within a couple of weeks or a month, this is going to look real nice at 1 inch. And the highest that I will probably keep it is at 2 inches during the summer. But again, we'll take it week by week because this is a weekly. So you're going to be seeing the progress on this in this yard. So The fertilizer that I'm going to be using on this property is the Simple Lawn Solution booster. Yeah, the lawn booster. I'm going to hit it with this, but again, I'm not going to show it. And put down some insecticide, maybe a little fungicide to, for prevention. And yeah, it's going to be. Stay tuned to the channel. I have an update this week because this was taken, I want to say, a week and a half or 2 weeks ago. So there's a big improvement on this property. But as of right now, the KRESS Commercial 21, excuse me, is feeling real good. Nice pace that I have it set on. And this mower can mulch, bag, and it has a rear side discharge, which is pretty good. And yeah, so the rest of this video, guys, is just basically a POV view of me mowing this small yard, just the front. And something that I was really amazed at, well, surprised, put it this way, not amazed, but how quiet the battery powered mower was. And yes, I understand battery powered mower are quiet, but this one was exceptionally quiet, where for some reason I was feeling that it didn't have enough power, but it wasn't, as you can tell, leaving stragglers or leaving anything there. It was pulverizing the grass. So far so good. Everything is looking good. I have no issues. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. And guys, don't forget, like, follow, subscribe, all of that good stuff, right? Yeah, but yeah, enjoy the rest of this video, which is going to be again, just the mowing, because at the end you're going to see me clean under the deck and show you the amount of grass that was left back. But yeah, I'm not going to show anything else, just the mowing portion of it. Okay, enjoy.